Hello and welcome to Damien the Kid. So I'm going to I made it a little bridge and my teacher had me have to show her the sound. So here I am doing a video. So here's what I have created. And here's the sound. Right here. Under that light. And you will see what everything does once I flip this switch. That yellow hint is doing the sound. Even I like to use it. And here's I think it would be easier if it's like this. And that's really all. Right now, I'll finish the music.